Cai wa Trizah mamake Mũraya rĩu nĩũrĩkĩtie gũkorwo ũgĩteng'ũrwo na gũcabĩrwo mafans a Trizah nĩ mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Haywood marĩ na gĩthaiga wa cai. But before tũũnyue, nĩ ngatho cia mwanya mwĩroreri wa Kikuyu Hot News TV nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na gũ subscribe oro ũndũ ũmwe na gũ support our content. Thank you so much. Before ngũmenyithie the report from the Haywood, listen what Tracy and Esther Baubach said.
Now, ada matirenda gutirira mubira uyu haha, they want to take it as far as possible. Na marora mundu ule marahinyiriria ri, imagine
ona ndangĩhota gũka kwaria kamera-inĩ ũguo nĩ ndĩraria. Trizah ndangĩhota gũka kwaria kamera-inĩ ũguo ndĩraria, na nikio ndauga kendemwire kuu kũngĩ kutoka hapo Githaiga akikuja usiku atuambie vile mnataka tufanye tondu wira wako uka uma kumwira ma nigetha tondu andu maroka makauga ndoni ngibaje marenda ku divert uhoro ati Trizah maranjio yenyewe kurehe diversion.
In addition to this, Githaiga wa cai nĩ arakorirwo agĩikĩrio mwaro nĩguo akorwo akĩmenyithia mafans a Trizah mũici ũyũ ũkoretwo akĩruta mĩtugo ĩno yothe nũ, kũrĩa without even wasting a single minute, Haywood anĩka mũici ũyũ mũthenya marigici na gũtũmĩra Githaiga wa cai the first process that was taken to deactivate Trizah's account to the last one, and this is what Githaiga shared in his Facebook page. Chai ya account ya Trizah mamake Mũraya, Haywood, and this is the report. Here is all you need to know about Trizah mamake Mũraya page and what really happened. Let me start by saying that Trizah had 3 admins, Esewa Video Official, a guy named Piku Technologist, and herself. Now Kuru and Trizah had full access to the page, while Essie had an editor role. It is important to note that an editor cannot delete a page. It is also important to know that Mr. Piku had access to Trizah's Gmail account, which was the main recovery option of the page. Now, as I said earlier, her page was not hacked, nor was it reported, suspended, or hidden. All those are not possible here on Facebook. As a matter of fact, there was no forced entry on the page. Whoever entered the page had full control and needed access to the email. According to my assessment, her page was deleted for motive you all know, and it was likely done by Piku because even on the activity log, his phone Samsung S24 was the last device connected to the account before other unknown into bracket with fake IP addresses devices took over. Here is how he did it. Probably the biggest haste of social media in our era. On the eve of the page disappearance, one admin added a pseudo account, then dismissed himself as the admin into bracket, and he recorded this, but a day before the disappearance, he then proceeded to add a new admin who removed the remaining admins before deleting the page. Now on Facebook, a page has 30 days for recovery before it's fully deleted. Note, a deletion cannot be initiated by hackers. It can only be deleted by admins who are present and for over 60 days. Upon deletion, Mr. Cool asked Trizah for money to recover the page, and this had to be done by granting him consent over all her social media handles in the presence of a lawyer, into bracket his lawyer now, Mr. Hashim, who met me and Trizah fortnight 3 p.m. ago at the Mark Hotel Ruiru. To be continued. Na ũguo nĩguo maũndũ makĩhana mwĩroreri wa Kikuyu Hot News TV, thiĩ na mbere na gũ subscribe nĩguo ũmenye thutha ũcio what will happen. Stay tuned.